creative people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you 2019's biggest fashion trend, which are bucket hats. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started. For the material, you will be needing fabric. You can use any fabric that does not contain any elastic, eyelids and tulle for the eyelids, crayon or a pen, pins, matching thread, scissors, and measuring band. First step is to measure your head. Measuring your head, you're going to divide it in half, so it's about 18 centimeters, and you're going to create a perfect circle, and that would be the top of the hat. Then you're going to create the second part of the hat. You're going to measure a half of your head measurement, divide that with 4, and try to create it a little bit round shape. For the third part, I'm taking exactly the same measurements as I did for the second. I'm just cutting it open to make it bigger. I'm also measuring about 7 centimeters thickness because I thought 8 would be too much. Then you're going to take a pen or a crayon, measure 1 centimeter for the sewing, and cut out all of the pieces. As you can see, I didn't have a lot of fancy fabric, so I took any other fabric that I had without elastic, and it works fine. I'm taking the second part of the hat and placing it one above the other, sew the sides. Then taking the top piece of the hat, connecting that together with the second piece. As you can see here, I just placed it one inside of the other. And then I'm taking the third part of the hat, sewing the sides. Then place it one inside of the other. Sew a straight line, flip it inside out, and sew 1 centimeter lines all over the third part. You would do exactly the same thing on this part of the hat as well. Then you're gonna connect them together. Time for the fun part, which is the eyelids. You can create holes whatever you want on this hat. I decided to go only with 2 holes at the front, so I can create like a little metallic rings, which I thought it was very cool, but you can design it however you like. This is the finishing product. This is how the hat turned out. I think it's very cute, very trendy, and it's very easy to make. You can create it with any fabric that does not contain any elastin. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you find it useful and helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like always, if you have any other suggestions of what kind of videos you would like to see on my channel, please comment below or contact me on my social media. All of my links are listed in my description box below. See you till next time. Hej då!